How to change color tune in emo. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are on emo and wondering how to change your color tune, here's how you can do it. First of all, open the emo application from your app drawer on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the home page of emo, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile picture. Once you're inside this main menu, go ahead and tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, select Functions. Now, tap on Color Tune at the bottom and select a different color tune you want to change to. You'll see different songs, music clips, or trending color tunes available inside the app. Go ahead and scroll through the options and then explore the categories from the top of the screen and find the tune you like the most and tap on the sound you'd like to use or test. And if you want to set the sound as your color tune, tap on Set right next to the sound. After you do that, your color tune has been changed. Ask a friend or use another phone to call your emo account and check whether the new color tune is playing correctly. And you're done. Now your callers can hear your favorite tune whenever they call you on emo. It is a fun way to personalize your account and make your profile more interesting. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.